Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper. Yes, it's Saturday, May the 1st, 2021. Look, May the 1st. All right, we have here one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Yes, regular Sudoku, but actually there are two because here we have a quintuplet. And I've told you quintuplets, I won't solve them anymore because I need more than an hour to solve them. I will post them so you can see the link below. But first I will solve this baby. And in this newspaper I need to look for it. Maybe there are extra sudokus, maybe, I do not know. I need to see in this newspaper extra sudokus, so we will see. This one regular sudoku I will solve will be number 2721. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. And this one has 27 printed digits, so you can say it's a 1-star Sudoku. Yes, if you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku in the additional. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about the 7 in this column? 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square now we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. How about the number? Yeah. 5, 4, and the 3. Yeah. 5, 4, and 8. Yes. No. 5, 3, and 8. Okay. So we have an 8 in this third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. Well, maybe 1. In this big square, I know one of these 3 boxes is an 8. The other 2 should be the 5 and the 3. But we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes in this column. 8 in the middle columns and the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. And now, think. How about the number? the number. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay, 4, 4. How about 4, 7, 2? 2, 6, 7. Alright. 5, 5. 2, 2. 5, 5. Alright, we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing in the middle column. 4 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s go, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. And we have a pair. Look. 7 and an 8 in this column. 7 and an 8 in the middle column. So in the column below, the only 2 places for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1. How about these two numbers, the missing numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 7 are missing. 2 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and the 7. How about 2, 7 and the 4 is missing. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle, the column between, yeah, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and the 7. Okay. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. Oh, wait. We have in this row 1 missing number. We have here the 7 and the 8. So this box should be the number 5. 5 is missing. All right. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. All right. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. All right. So we have a 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 7. Alright, now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 8, I believe. No, 8 we have. The 2 should be missing. Yes, the 2 is missing in the second column. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. And I've told you for 1 star I need 10 to 15 minutes to solve. So I'm very pleased with the time. And the practice will continue. Yes. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, you can also download this PDF file if you want to solve this by yourself or make it by yourself. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for medium Sudokus, playlists for tectonics, for killer Sudokus, for binaries, all kind of playlists, Sudokus, puzzles. So subscribe And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. Have a fantastic Saturday. See you later, maybe for the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.